features of the female structured soft armor vest include a top-loading pocket for increased ballistic threat soft armor packs, adjustment points on the shoulders, as well as dual adjustment straps on each side. The dual 2-inch straps hold the vest properly across the chest. The whole rear side of the vest is loop material. The armor is darted, but with a process that ensures that the structure has no weak points. The armor in the front of the vest is structured to best accommodate female officers. That is the Female Revolution by Armor Express.